Alright, good morning everybody. The lake is just up this road, about half a mile more. I found an outhouse last night on my way up here. Decided to stay there for the night and finish going to the lake in the morning. So here we are, it's 7:30 in the morning. Everything is still cold, still dark, but there's enough light to see. The sun should be coming up within 30 minutes to an hour, so gonna get up there right now. I'll see you guys there. Alright, so we got all the way to the lake, and there's a sign that says that it's a private area, recreational area. You have to be a member or live in the area, something, to be able to fish there. So plan B, which is not going to the creek, we're going to a lake that's in town. It's still pretty hard to catch things, especially because it's in town and everybody fishes there, but I'm sure that we'll get something there today. So we're clear up here in the middle of nowhere right now. Beautiful trees all around, nice landscape. I do wonder what this is though. Anyways, I'm gonna follow this trail and get back down to town. Hopefully I can find somewhere where I can at least ride my skateboard back down. Ladies and gentlemen, you're on my chest now, but we're almost into town. So close. It's only taken an hour to get down to where I am now, from all the way at basically the peak up there. Been using my skateboard on the dirt road, ruining my bearings, but I don't care. I want to get down there, get to a good fishing spot. This is so sketchy. Ooh. Yeah, you see that? I almost fell. So sketchy! Man, trying to get down this hill fast. Gotta sit down. Make sure all my stuff's in my hands. Use my feet to keep me slow. Okay, it's enough fun for a minute. A little bit closer now. Almost there. Alright, so we finally made it back into town. Right now what I'm gonna do is stash this sleeping bag, because I'm obviously not gonna need it walking around town and everything. Yep. Anyways, going fishing, so let's go. All right everybody, we finally made it to this lake. I'm not gonna, sorry for the wind, I'm not gonna say where I am, because I don't want people to come and fish it all out real fast. This is already a pretty popular spot, so if I somehow made it more popular, I'd kind of feel bad. We got all our fishing equipment, our portable charger here, so I think we're gonna start with a bobber and some of these shrimp eggs I just picked up. I got these probably a week ago and I'm just now about to use them. But I really want to see how they work and see what I can get with these. So I think I'm gonna throw on this little bobber and the little J hook. Throw some of those pink shrimp egg things on.